for more on that. Anisha, go on. Tell us anything that will come from Manish Sisodia's counsel. Will they be able to contest the plea presented by the Enforcement Directorate today, or is it just the ED's day for them to push for extended custody?
Well, Nabila, of course, if the process is when somebody is to be taken into custody, his lawyers do get a chance to argue. The ED lawyers are obviously going to seek 10 days custody. The ED is of course going to say that there are allegations, there are evidences, there are documentations and witness statements that Mr. Sisodia has to be confronted with. However, on the other side, Sisodia's lawyers, and we've seen Senior Advocate Dayan Krishnan going inside, we've seen other lawyers of the Aam Aadmi Party also go inside. They will be making a strong case against ED custody. They will be raising the question of why the ED was not able to complete its investigation while Mr. Sisodia was questioned inside the Tihar jail. Why is it that his custodial interrogation specifically is being called for? All of these questions will definitely be asked by Sisodia's counsel, and it is all going to be very crucial to see what the CBI and the ED are going to tell the court today, because remember, today both agencies are before the court. Sisodia's bail application is also before the court for hearing. The ED will also have to explain why exactly the investigation so far has, where exactly the investigation so far has gone. Why are they specifically asking for custodial interrogation? Who are the people they want to confront him with? What kind of evidence is there against Manish Sisodia? Because we've been hearing my colleague Manish talking about what the ED sources have been telling him, what kind of investigation lines have happened so far, because this is a very serious case that has been alleged, very serious allegations against Sisodia for being the person at the helm when it comes to this alleged kickbacks of about 100 crore, about when it comes to these allegations of the liquor policy being deliberately changed. So it will be very, very crucial to see what is said actually before the court, and it is just a few minutes before 2 p.m. right now. My colleagues Kanu Sarda and Srishti Ojha are inside the courtroom. We will be getting minute-by-minute updates of what will actually happen. So far, however, the judge is not in the courtroom. Sisodia has not reached the courtroom, even though we saw the Tihar jail van, which was being escorted by police, going inside the Rouse Avenue Court premises. So very shortly, in a few minutes, we should get an update from inside the courtroom of what is happening. And for our viewers and for you, Nabila, I'll tell you, there is a lot of crowd in the court corridors. There's a lot of crowd in the courtroom itself, and police presence, police bandobast has also been made very strict to ensure that no untoward incident happens, because since the morning we've seen Aam Aadmi Party and BJP Karyakartas on the road protesting on this issue, protesting against each other. And we saw very recently the BJP leaders trying to break barricades and go towards the Aam Aadmi Party office. And the Rouse Avenue Court, of course, is just merely meters away from the Aam Aadmi Party office and just a few meters away from the BJP office. And here I can show you senior officials.
Update there, Anisha. Stay with us. Manish Sisodia, as he reaches the Rouse Avenue Court, was brought in a jail van. Those are visuals that we saw. Now he's been kept inside a lockup. Manish Sisodia will be produced inside the courtroom in just a few moments from now. This is the update that we get from inside the court. As Anisha Mathur is right outside, we believe Manish Sisodia is yet to be brought inside the courtroom. Our correspondents are right there inside court to bring us